Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of Pakistan's most iconic and thrilling landmarks, the Hussani Bridge. Located in the breathtaking Karakoram Mountains of northern Pakistan, this bridge is famous worldwide for its jaw-dropping views and daring design. Join me as we uncover the history, the beauty, and the unique experience of crossing the Hussani Bridge. The Hussani Bridge spans the Hunza River in northern Pakistan, connecting remote villages in the Hunza Valley. Built in 1940, this suspension bridge is constructed mainly from wood and lacks traditional safety features, adding to its adventurous appeal. Let's take a moment to appreciate the visual spectacle of the Hussani Bridge. From its sturdy yet rustic wooden planks to the backdrop of towering snow-capped peaks and the turquoise waters of the Hunza River below, every step across this bridge offers a breathtaking view that captures the essence of the Karakoram Mountains. Walking across the Hussani Bridge is not for the faint-hearted. With its swaying planks and the roaring river beneath, each step challenges your courage while rewarding you with unparalleled natural beauty. Visitors often describe it as an exhilarating mix of fear and awe. Beyond its physical allure, the Hussani Bridge is also a cultural icon. It connects local communities and serves as a lifeline for daily activities, offering a glimpse into the resilient spirit and traditions of the Hunza Valley's people. While the Hussani Bridge offers a thrilling adventure, it's essential to exercise caution. The bridge's lack of safety rails demands careful navigation, especially during windy weather or peak tourist seasons. In conclusion, the Hussani Bridge is not just a bridge, but a symbol of resilience and natural beauty in Pakistan's Karakoram region. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a cultural enthusiast, or a nature lover, crossing this bridge is an experience you won't forget. Have you ever visited the Hussani Bridge? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of Pakistan's hidden gems. Until next time, thank you for watching, and happy travels. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and cultural insights. See you in the next video. Safe travels and goodbye.